Hey, if you're looking for a simple way to increase your testosterone naturally, immediately, then stay tuned. And also, if you're looking to test your testosterone, stay tuned because today that's what I'm going to talk about: how to use your body so that you can increase your testosterone levels immediately, and a home testosterone testing kit that I have reviewed. And I want to share that information with you. Hey, my name is Brian, aka Uncle B, and for the last 20 years, I've been a sexual performance coach with African Fly, the liquid aphrodisiac. And during that time, studied a lot of information about testosterone. And one of the things that's very important is that you test your testosterone so you know exactly where you are and have an understanding of that you can actually control your testosterone with your mind, just using your body in a specific way. And I'm going to break that down today. And as always, if you like what you hear, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit the like button. And by the way, full disclosure, this video is being sponsored by letsgetchecked.com, the testosterone home testing kit, and they asked me to do a review. That's what I'm going to do, and of course I'm going to be honest about it. So let me go ahead and break this down until it cannot be broken anymore. All right, so we've already talked in the past videos about what foods to eat, your sleep, your exercise, lifting heavy, all the things to increase your testosterone. We've also talked about a lack of sleep, eating too much sugar, too much alcohol, prescription drugs, the things that can lower your testosterone. But today I'm going to talk about how you control all of that with your mind, and just give you a real quick story. Back when I was in high school, was a part of National Junior Achievement, went to a conference in Indiana, and I went from being a chubby kid to, I got a girlfriend, so I started working out, so I was all buffed and everything, and somehow got roped into an arm wrestling contest. And so people started betting. I didn't even know this dude. No one knew anybody, but they were just betting based on how we looked. So, okay, I'm up there ready to arm wrestle. Mind you, I've only arm wrestled with my brother, just playing around, no technique, nothing like that. But this other dude, he was over there like, yeah. What? And I'm like, somebody get this crazy dude. What's going on here? What? And so we get into the arm wrestling, and I'm just holding him up there for like 2 minutes because I didn't know how to take him down. And, he wasn't strong enough at that time to take me down, but he kept doing all this craziness like, yeah. It's like, dude, what? Okay. Finally, he won. Now, whether it was because he kept pumping himself up or because he was scaring the crap out of me, I'm not sure. But one thing is true, is that his testosterone levels was going up while he was doing that. That's right. By just doing certain gestures, you actually increase your testosterone levels. I heard this before from Tony Robbins, the performance coach. He would say, do a cakewalk. And that's when you just pretend like you're Superman. You have a cape on and you just, your confidence is there. Your chest is lifted. Everything that shows you have that level of confidence is being shown throughout your entire body. And then he had people walk across hot coals. So apparently it's worked. He's been doing that for like over 20 years. So it works. And also recently, Amy Cuddy, she did a TED talk and she was talking about testosterone levels. She's a Harvard professor. She was talking about how just doing 2 minutes of posing, the confident look and the feel and everything like that increases your testosterone by 20%. And obviously that's a lot. So it's something definitely worth paying attention to because, we see it in nature. Whenever animals get ready for a fight, they just get bigger. They show themselves to look bigger. They're taking up space. And, if they think they're going to get beat, they just start cowering down like, please don't kill me. So when you're going around throughout the day or whatever, just with that confident swagger, your body movement, feeling confident, your testosterone levels are just going to keep going up. This is so powerful that even when your team wins, your testosterone level goes up by 10%. And if your team loses, your testosterone level goes down by 10%. It's that powerful. Your mind can't control your testosterone levels. Now, obviously, what we like to talk about is, how that's going to affect your sex life and your erections and things like that. Well, it's not going to overcome crap. So you can't eat a rum cake and then drink a fifth of rum and then say, whoa, my testosterone is going to get, nah, it's not, it doesn't work like that, player. Don't even try that. So yeah, just be within reason, obviously, but look to increase your testosterone levels with your confident self. All right, let's go through this letsgetchecked.com review. It's a testosterone kit that you can get mailed to your house, and you can, start using it from there. Once again, this video is sponsored by them. But once again, what I'm going to do is be honest about it. So just doing the background research, letsgetchecked.com. They're owned by Private Path Diagnostics Ltd. They're out of Ireland, been in business since 2013, and they've partnered up with CVS and Walmart, which shows that these guys are serious. And I do want to say it is important that you get your testosterone levels checked for whatever reason, for a variety of reasons. They don't do this at hospitals during your normal checkup, but as we know, testosterone is the dominant hormone in the male body, and it's worth having that checked, especially if you're noticing you're losing energy, your erections aren't there, the issues that you're having. Knowing where you are allows you to be able to set yourself up for better performance. So the great things about this is, first of all, is at home. It's getting mailed to you. They have easy to understand packaging. They even have videos that you can take a look at online. And they have a whole process. So basically, you activate your test, then you go ahead and take your blood sample in the morning. You return it on the same day with the prepackaged shipping label that they have for you in the packaging. Once it gets to their laboratories, of course, they do their testing. In 2 to 5 days, they will let you know. They will either have a registered nurse call you to let you know and to go over the information with you, or you can just go ahead online in your secure account and check it out there. And their nurses are available 24/7 for you to have a talk with to go over the information. Now, the great things I liked about this is, one, the online videos, so it explains things for you. In the kit, you get a bunch of things, that they supply you enough of everything. So if you make a mistake like I was doing, you can, still be able to take the test. So within the package, they have the finger needle prick, the collection tube, of course, sterilizing wipe, finger prick Band-Aids, and the prepaid return shipping package. And so when you're going through the process, you have to go online to activate it. And, they're asking the basic demographic questions, your age, your weight and things like that. Do you exercise? How often? And of course, that information is used when they give you a call to talk about your testosterone levels. So I got an email and a call from Kristen. Got the testing and information, and hey, I'm normal. Everything's great. I know that if there's certain other things I can do to increase my testosterone levels, but I'm right where I should be, so I'm cool with that. And so the thing that I like the most about this is that you're doing it at home. So when you're trying to get it done, let's say at a doctor, you have to make that appointment. You have to go there, and, you're on their time, and that throws off your testosterone level testing because, your testosterone levels are highest in the morning. If you're doing it with a doctor, it's like, okay, the stress of getting to the doctor, waiting room, blah, 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 that's affecting your testosterone, along with, did you eat between time? Are you doing it at 3 o'clock, at 4 o'clock? And the next time you need to test it, are you being tested at a different time? With this, you can go back and look. It's like, okay, I did my testing on a Tuesday in the morning. So the next time I do my testing is Tuesday in the morning. And that's important because, if you take it, let's say you took it on a Friday, your testosterone levels, maybe you're happy because it's a Friday. If it's a Monday, maybe you're not as happy because it's a Monday. All these things affect your testosterone levels. And so having it at the same period gives you the good range of, seeing how you're improving or not improving and what you can do. So it is my recommendation. I would say, yes, I've been looking for a testosterone testing kit, and this is perfect. I like the whole system. I like the fact that, you can have a person to actually talk to about it. This just works for me. I would recommend it that you take it and it'll work for you. So in conclusion, let's go ahead and wrap this up by saying that, one, you can change your testosterone level just by changing your positioning of your body, how you stand, how you spread out, pose. Hey, brother, it's on you. Use your mind, use your body, boost your testosterone right now. Testing your testosterone, it helps you figure out where you are so you have a basis to know what you need to improve in, et cetera, et cetera. So go ahead, check out letsgetchecked.com. Get your test on. And question of the day, Have you done a testosterone test before? And what levels were you at? And what did you do afterwards? So, go ahead and share with us down in the comment section. It's very important that, other guys hear what's going on because, testosterone levels are going down around the world. We need to reverse that because it's affecting not only our love lives, but our health and other things as well. So as always, if you like what you heard, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. And this is Uncle B saying, get your game up. Peace out.